What's up guys, Meredith with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we're checking out the aluminum hood latch kit in black fitting all 2007 and newer JK and JL Wranglers. Now the factory hood latches on both the JL and the JK do tend to wear out and stretch out over time, and although the JL was a big upgrade from the flimsy JK ones, they still do tend to wear down and break, which can cause a poor appearance and even functional issues like hood flutter that can be annoying and unsafe. Now this option, however, will combat all of those issues, creating a finished and more rugged appearance, but most importantly, keeping the hood where it needs to be with a sturdy yet easy to use build. Like I mentioned, this set will eliminate that movement with the hood, whether the JK latches are stretched out and that's causing the movement, or the JL ones are starting to break or be damaged. Now these will both be height adjustable, so you can dial in the body panel spacing and looseness of the hood to prevent any annoying flutter. Now this set will also look way better than the plastic, with the sharp lines, ridges, and even that chevron or arrow pattern on the main portion of the latch, which will definitely be an upgrade from those factory plastics. Now, like I mentioned, these are going to be way more durable and resist any stretching or breaking like the factory plastic ones, thanks to the aluminum alloy construction. Now on top will be a nice black powder coat finish to prevent any corrosion on the aluminum itself, and the stainless hardware will last to it, being rust resistant. Now I do like that this kit will also include rubber gaskets for both sides to protect your Jeep's paint and prevent any scratching, in addition to being a complete bolt-on and no-nonsense part, making it a super easy swap. Now getting into the price, these will come in at about $125 for this set. Now the styling is something that is definitely going to come down to personal preference with this kind of mod, considering that there are many designs out there for the customization aspect, but I think if you want to keep it more on the subtle side with that rugged appearance with a quality set, then this is going to be right up your alley. Install with these is going to be easy at a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and should only take you about an hour to get the job done. Now speaking of the install, one of our customers here has installed this on their Jeep and is going to walk you through what that process looks like step by step. So that is going to wrap it up for my review. Let's go ahead and head into the install.
Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to install the aluminum hood latch kit from Extreme Terrain. For the install, all you're going to need is a ratchet, a 10mm adapter, a 13mm wrench, an Allen wrench, and then you can use your stock hardware, or you can use the hardware that came with the aluminum hood latch kit. So to start, we're going to take off the existing hardware. So there's one 13mm bolt in here. Once you get that loose, loosen it up with your hand. Pull that off. Grab your new aluminum hood latch kit, or bottom hood latch from the hood latch kit. Come here. Start it with your fingers. Once you have it in there, just gonna have to tighten it up. Takes a while to get tightened all the way, but once you get it going, it's pretty easy. I'm just going to hand tighten it. You don't want to over tighten it, so it's nice and tight. Now we're going to move up to the next one, which is going to be the top latch. So for the top latch, you're going to use that socket with the 10mm adapter, and you're going to use the Allen key. So you don't need the Allen key yet, but you will need it when you put on the new aluminum top latch. So we'll loosen it up first. Push it loose. Set that there. Loosen the other bolt. When that's loose. Loosen with your hands. And now I'm going to grab the top latch and put that in. Alright, so once you get the top latch in, you're just going to start it with your hands. Put the first bolt on it. This is where you're gonna need the Allen key. So you grab the Allen key, attach it to the bolt while you tighten on the nut. Again, I'm just gonna hand tighten. Once that's on, we'll go to the next side, and we're just gonna repeat the same process. So again, we're using a 13mm wrench, and we're just gonna take out the one bolt that's already here. Once that's loose, the right side. You gotta get your fingers in there and try to fish it out. If you get it started, you just use the wrench to tighten it up. You want to take the 13mm and just tighten it. Takes a few turns to get it all the way tightened down. And you just want to get it hand tightened. Once it's all the way hand tightened, we'll leave it like that. And now we're going to work on the top again. So again, you're just going to take your Allen wrench, and that's going to be for when you put your new one in. Turn it over. You just have those first initial two bolts get off. So loosen them up. Once that's loose, take the first off. Loosen up the second one here. It's off. I'm going to grab the top one. Alright, so again, we're just going to start with your hands to get it going. Once you feel it hit the Loctite, you can stop, and we'll use the ratchet to tie it back down. So here, again, I got the Allen key. It's going to hold it in place where I want it. So I'm getting my ratchet. Once you have them tight, we're just going to let down the hood, make sure that it all lines up. And once we make sure that it's all lined up, we'll be good to go. Now we're going to have to adjust it. Looks like that was going to need to do. And this one's coming back in good. Coming back to this side. See if that comes in, so it doesn't. So what we'll have to do is we'll loosen up these two top bolts again. We'll lower it down so that the latch sits a little bit lower, and then the latch will sit in. Just gonna come up, hold it with my Allen key. Get a little loose. You don't have to loosen it all the way. Just to loosen enough to give you a little bit of play. Once that plays in it, bring it all the way down to where you want it. Just tighten it back up and hold that pressure. So that's tight. Tight. Now we're just gonna double check one more time. Now it's 50. Alright, the latch is sitting good.
So that's going to wrap it up for my review and the install of this aluminum hood latch kit in black, fitting all 2007 and newer JK and JL Wranglers. And you can find this right here at extremeterrain.com.